Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to disable or turn off notification for specific apps on iPhone. Go to your settings, scroll down and look for notifications, click on it, scroll down, you're going to see all the apps you have installed on your iPhone. Let's say for example I want to disable notification for Alibaba because I always get recommendations for products every day. So click on it and click on allow notification to disable it. So that's how you disable or turn off notification from specific apps on iPhone. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.